channel. I'm so sorry that I'm unable to making videos for my YouTube channel because I didn't get the time to make the videos. Anyway, today we are going to learn about UI and UX. UI means user interface, or UX means user experience that we have when we learn to apply the professional UI design skills, enhancing the UX through various design tools and graphics while developing high definition apps. Okay, let's get started. Okay, yeah, there is user interface and user experience. What is our goal for the module? We learn, as usual, we know we are going to learn about UI and UX. What did we achieve in the class today? Developing a professional, personal, native app. I will show you all the part 3 apps. Okay. If you still have any doubts, then you can comment box. If I know there is comment box is closed, then I have to know what the main thing for the coding. That is means we are creating a personal chatting app. That it's helping with concepts and coding blocks we cover today are UX and UI, as we also know, user experience. This includes the process of enhancing customer satisfaction by improving the design, usability, ease of use, and pleasure provided in the interaction between the customer and product. Means this is the including process in which customer has to enhance the satisfaction by proving the design as usability. Means proving the design, how the code is going to be proved. That is the main thing in this user experience. It is name is telling us about the user that we are reader as an author. For example, suppose that if you are a user, you can use any app that's make if our experience will good when the app will more designed. Means it is with colorful blocks, texts, italic form, everything. This is called usability and ease of use. Means it is easy. Man, please provide it in the interaction between the customer and the product. User interface, it complements the look and feel, the presentation and interactivity of the product. This means how well your app is designed in the terms of the color, shape, etc. User interface complements the look and feel, how the app is looking about that. And well, we know our app design in the terms of color, shapes. For example, yeah, here we go. Here, I will show you the thumbnail, right? Don't worry, I will show in the next video. Here is a thumbnail having content section here, and I'm sorry, I'm not audible. Okay, do you understand, children? Okay, next is we made one screen named profile animated hero with shares follow for all classes respectively. Now our user interface and user experience has been done. Now let's come to the projects. There are projects my teacher rated me all the 3 heads off. Here is my app's 5 rating. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's the today's concept. In the next video, I'm unable. I guess I have network. Sorry. In the next video, I will show my all 3 apps, and I will also tell you why this code has to be happen. Right? If you have any doubts, then you can join the Whitehead Junior, in which you can learn a perfect coding. Coding is not unusual. It is very easy if you learn it carefully. anything to do that is very easy. Okay, the parents are not allowed. I will teach you the coding on the YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. I like this video. Bye. Have a good day.